This long, cool drink of water is Alard item Y4017. It is an 8-inch wide by 25-foot long belt conveyor with a rubberized food-grade belt. It is, of course, food-grade stainless steel. The belt runs between 4-inch high sides. It has a half horsepower single-phase motor down there on the other end with a 50-to-1 gear reducer and an on and off box with an emergency stop switch. It is on wheels, so it is movable, portable, can be repositioned at will. The casters are locking casters. So here it is, operating. It runs at about 50 foot a minute. And go ahead, we'll put something on and see it run down through. If you have any questions about this piece, or you're looking for something longer or not as long, or taller or shorter or fatter or skinnier, give us a call at 315-589-4511. Otherwise, here it is, an 8-inch wide by 25-foot long belt conveyor in stock in good operational condition, available for immediate shipment. Geez, I got to move back a little, it's so long. Available in stock at Alard Equipment, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.